Hello, welcome to Creative Computer Skills. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up your Visual Studio Code for web development on your Windows PC, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. This will help you to make sure that your Visual Studio Code is well organized for your web development. To get started, open your browser and on the address bar or the search bar, type Visual Studio Code. Now, from the search result, you can see this very first option that appears. Click on it. This will load to the official website of Visual Studio Code. Now, Visual Studio Code is an open source code editor. It is free to use. So once you are here, you can either click on this download at this right side or this very one, and you just get started with the download. Click on it right now and you discover that the download has actually started. Now, depending on the speed of your network, it will determine how fast this download will actually be. Now, you can see the latest version of this Visual Studio Code. This is just the new release, and so it will give you also the latest version as you download this. At the end, we will see a way to install it. Let's wait while the download is taking place. This will not actually take much time to finish up with the download. After the download, we'll proceed with the installation, and after the installation, we'll see the way to set it up in our Windows PC. The download is completed right now, and you can just click on this executable file to get started with the installation. Click on I accept the agreement, then click on next. Here you just need to select the destination folder or the location where you want this Visual Studio Code to be. If you wish to change it from this very one, you can just click on browse and do that. But if you're okay with that, you simply click on next. Then you can see the name of this Visual Studio Code on the Start menu folder. Now click on next. If you wish to create a desktop icon for it, you can just simply click on this create a desktop icon. Click on next. Click on install, and the installation will immediately begin. This will not take time. It will check for the system requirements, and if it didn't meet up, it will just give you an error. But if it does, it will run from start to finish, and that's just the way you can actually install it. You can see the whole thing is running successfully. This is done right now. Now you can just click on finish, and this will actually open up the Visual Studio Code environment for us. Now, the moment it opens, if you wish to sign in with your Gmail account or GitHub account, it's all left for you. But you can just simply click on continue without signing in. Now, you can select the theme, the color of the theme you want it to be. If it is this dark 2026 or this very one, as you click on it, you can see the changes taking effect. But I think I will just leave it at this very one. Then click on continue. Then you can just click on get started. If you are done with this, we actually need to take the next step of installing some of the vital extensions that will help you as you run your web development. Now, to do that, you can see the extension icon here. Click on it, and on this search area, you do well to type this first extension that is very important while you do your web development using this Visual Studio Code. Type live server. Now, the moment you type this live server, you can see this very one. This live server helps you or allows you to visualize changes in real time as you code with your system. Now, you can just click on install to get started. Now click on this Trust Publisher and install. If you look at this area, you discover that a good number of persons have actually installed this, telling you that it is actually trusted. So you don't have to fear about that. Now this is done installing. If you are done installing that, you need to also install this prettier. This is it, prettier code formatter. The prettier code formatter ensures a consistent style across your project by automatically reprinting your code according to a specific rule. Now this will ensure that your code follows a particular rule while you do that for your web development. Now you can just click on install, then Trust Publisher and install. This will quickly install in your Visual Studio Code. If you are done doing that, the next extension you just need to also install in your Visual Studio Code is JavaScript snippet. Once you also install that, it will help you with your JavaScript coding. So once you set all these things up, these extensions up, it will actually help you to do your coding very well for your HTML, CSS, and your JavaScript.